Imagine teaching in a classroom where every student brings a different culture, a new perspective, and a unique story. It's more than teaching, creating connections, fostering understanding, and shaping a new generation of global thinkers. Each day is an opportunity to grow alongside your students, learning as much as you teach. Hi, my name is Jasmine, and today we are talking about what it takes to succeed as an international teacher. Whether you dream of teaching abroad or in a globally diverse classroom at home, let's look at the skills and mindset that make this journey truly transformative. Let's start by understanding the role itself. What exactly is an international teacher? Why is this such an exciting career path in 2025? Being an international teacher means stepping into a world where cultures, perspectives, and stories collide beautifully. But what does an international teacher look like? Let's break it down in a way that's easy to relate. Imagine being a teacher from India and moving to the US to teach. You'd be navigating a new culture, adapting to a different education system, and sharing your expertise with students worldwide. It's not just a career move, it's a chance to grow, learn, and bring your unique perspective to a global classroom. Now let's flip the scenario. What if you stayed in India but taught at an IB school in Mumbai? Here, you'd work with an international curriculum, guide students from diverse cultural backgrounds, and bring the world into your classroom. It's global teaching without leaving home. Both paths offer incredible opportunities to grow as a teacher while creating meaningful connections that leave a lasting impact on students. It's all about finding what excites and inspires you the most. But no matter where you teach, one thing is certain. Thriving in these global classrooms requires more than just subject knowledge. It's about readiness, embracing diversity, adapting to new norms, delivering exceptional teaching. So what does international teacher readiness mean? Let's find out. International teacher readiness is about being fully prepared to thrive in global classrooms. As said earlier, it's about being adaptable, understanding different cultures, and meeting the needs of students from all walks of life. This readiness ensures you can teach confidently, connect meaningfully, and lead effectively in diverse educational environments. At Suraasa, we have developed a framework for international teacher readiness by analyzing the needs of international schools and global teachers. Being an international teacher is more than just teaching. It's about thriving in diverse, dynamic, and often challenging environments. So how do you measure your readiness for such a role? Here are 6 key parameters that define what it takes to excel as an international teacher. Let's start with attitude. Imagine entering a classroom mid-year, students still adjusting, lessons behind schedule, and parents seeking quick results. Dealing with challenges like these requires resilience, quick thinking, and a problem-solving mindset. But attitude isn't just about managing hurdles. It's also about showing up prepared and professional, especially during interviews. Researching the school, understanding its culture, and presenting yourself confidently can make all the difference when you are vying for a role at an international institution. Next up is presentation skills. Clear communication is non-negotiable. Whether explaining a complex math problem to your students or addressing a concern with a parent, your ability to articulate your thought matters. For example, teachers with a clear, neutral accent often find it easier to connect with a diverse student body. English proficiency, both written and spoken, ensures that instructions are seamless and universally understood. Then comes internationalism. Picture this. Your class is celebrating Cultural Week. You are weaving the traditions of 5 different countries into your lesson plan, ensuring every student feels represented. This is where cultural competency shines. Teachers who embrace diversity and adapt their teaching to fit cultural contexts create classrooms that feel inclusive and meaningful. Add to this the effective use of technology, whether it's gamified learning or virtual field trips, and you're crafting experiences that are both engaging and globally relevant. Now, pedagogy. Effective teaching starts with thoughtful lesson planning. Your plans need clear objectives, engaging activities, and room for reflection. Delivery is equally important. It's not just what you teach, but how you teach. Let's say you're managing a particularly rowdy class. Classroom management skills can turn chaos into productive learning environment. And don't forget assessments. They're not just about grades but about providing feedback that helps students grow. Then there's subject knowledge. It's not just about knowing your material, it's about making it meaningful. For example, teaching the Industrial Revolution in history becomes powerful when you relate it to the modern day technological advancement, showing students how past innovations shape their world today. This approach makes learning both relevant and impactful. Finally, we have regulatory readiness. This is about ensuring you are prepared for the formal requirements, your qualifications, safeguarding knowledge, and even background verification. For instance, understanding child protection policies ensure that you're fostering a safe environment for your students. Providing strong professional references adds that final touch of credibility. Understanding these 6 parameters is one thing, but turning them into strengths is where the real magic happens. So how can you sharpen these skills and truly prepare for international teaching? Let's talk about it in the next section. Alright, now that you know the 6 parameters of international teaching readiness, let's talk about the first step in building these skills, self-assessment. It's so important to take a moment to reflect on your strengths and area for improvement. That's why we're offering you a free self-assessment quiz. It's quick, insightful, and designed to give you an honest snapshot of where you stand. Want to try it? The link is waiting for you in the description below. Your first step towards an international teaching journey starts here. You can also find it right above on your screen. Now, self-assessment is just the starting point. Knowing where you stand is vital, but taking action is where the real change happens. That's where Suraasa's PgCTL program steps in to guide your journey forward. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Teaching and Learning, that is PgCTL, is more than just a program. It's a transformation. Designed to align with the 6 parameters of international teacher readiness, PgCTL doesn't just teach you concepts, it equips you with practical, actionable skills. From delivering dynamic lessons to thriving in diverse classrooms, PgCTL prepares you for real-world international teaching challenges. Teachers who have completed PgCTL don't just meet international teaching standards, they exceed them. This program has already empowered countless teachers to secure roles in top international schools, whether it's mastering modern pedagogy or adapting to global classrooms. PgCTL gives you the tools and confidence to stand out as the teacher every international school needs. So if you're ready to move beyond self-reflection and take actionable steps towards your international teaching dream, PgCTL is the next step waiting for you. It's more than preparation, it's your pathway to excellence. Now, before we wrap up, let me commend you. Teachers like you are extraordinary. Becoming an international teacher isn't just a career move, it's about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing diversity, and growing alongside your students. It's a journey of transformation both for you and the lives you impact. And if today's video has inspired you to explore international teaching or take the next big step in your career, there's a link waiting for you in the description. It includes all the details you need and an opportunity to connect with a teacher career expert who can guide you towards making your international teaching aspirations a reality. Thank you for being here and for everything you do as an amazing teacher. The world needs more of what you bring to the classroom. Until next time, take care and happy teaching.